In this video, I'll show you how to edit the final URL in Google Ads so you can update the landing page your ad sends users to. Start by opening your Google Ads account and go to the left-hand menu. Click Campaigns, then select Ads from the panel that appears. This section displays all the individual ads within the selected campaign, which is where you can modify the destination link. Next, locate the ad you want to update and hover your cursor over the row. A pencil icon will appear, which allows you to edit the ad. Click the pencil to open the editing view. Inside the editor, find the field labeled Final URL. This is the landing page users reach after clicking your ad. Enter the new or corrected link carefully, making sure the full URL is included and the page loads properly. It's best practice to ensure the landing page matches the message in your ad and provides a smooth experience for users. After reviewing the link for accuracy, click Save to apply the change. Keep in mind that edits may go through a short review process before the update becomes fully active. Subscribe for more practical Google Ads tutorials.